Hi and welcome to How To Beauty. This is Lauren and today I'm going to share with you how to get the luscious, juiciest, most kissable lips on the planet. If you are interested, please stay tuned, like, and subscribe. So I have been on a journey for getting the most juicy, luscious, youngest looking lips on the planet. And when you've been in the industry as long as I have, you listen to other people's tips and tricks. We know right now that if you drink through a straw or you smoke a cigarette or you're drinking out of water bottles, that you are getting premature lines around your mouth. If you haven't thought about it, unfortunately, that is the case. So if you can, cut down on drinking through a straw, cut down on smoking for sure, and really and truly watch the way that you're puckering your lips. You should only be puckering up for a kiss, and I don't think you can get any lines from that. So the number one thing I suggest everybody to do is to have a decent lip exfoliant. Now, if you have a face exfoliant, like a face wash that has like a little bit exfoliant to it, then you can use that on your lips very gently and carefully, and you're good to go with that. Now, L'Oreal makes a pure sugar scrub. This is the exact formulation as Fresh's sugar scrub. It is for your face and your neck, but you can use this either just for your lips or you can use it for face, neck, and lips. Obviously, you're gonna stay away from the eyes with this. It smells exactly the same as the Fresh exfoliator, and this will get all of the dead skin from around your mouth out of there. Has some oils in it, so it doesn't dehydrate your lips. Obviously, you're gonna wash it off anyway, but it's nice and it is a great lip exfoliant. So that is your first step. You do this every other day. Some people like every day, but every other day, you're good to go. So that is going to make them look super soft and lineless. The next trick I have, and it's not really a trick, it's just a product that I love and I suggest to everyone, and it is by MAC. It is called the Dazzle Glass. Now, if you can look really closely, it has a lot of glitter and shimmer in this. You are not too old for glitter and shimmer. Let me repeat, you are not too old for glitter or shimmer in your lip gloss. It has a 3D effect for your lips, so you're not only like looking like you have wet lips and kissable lips and shiny lips, but there's some definition to your lips. Now, when you're at work, you don't have lights in your face, so it's a very subtle glow, even though it has that glitter and shimmer in it. When you get in your car and it's a sunny day and you look in your rear view mirror, you will see this most amazing disco ball glitter on your lips, but at work, they just look really, really glossy. I find that since I don't have any fillers anywhere, including my lips, that if I do like a matte lip, my lips shrivel up looking and they look like raisins, and dry anything is not youthful. When we were young, our skin, our cells turn over really fast, so you had this glowing, natural, gorgeous skin. Obviously for me, you see a lot of glowing, you see a lot of highlight, you see the highlight on the eyes, you see the shimmer on the face, on the lips. If you are a total matte girl, definitely give a little bit of shimmer and glow a try, because that is what youth is. So I will take this Dazzle Glass, and it comes in, I want to say, at least 20 colors. So if you like a clear with shimmer, they have like a clear with shimmer. This is like a special edition. But it has like purple and it has green flecks in that. There's another one that I have used up quite a bit. It's called Moth to a Flame, and that's like a really pretty glowing, like a neutral color. Now, I will tell you, this has a light vanilla scent, light. It has a little bit of stickiness to it. You need a little stickiness to your lip gloss so it stays on. And then when it wears off, I mean, there's no line of demarcation. So your lips either go from juicy and wet and kissable to just regular. And I love that about this. So I will apply it. And a little goes a long way. And I want you to see how beautiful. It's beautiful on the lips. There is definitely a color for you. So what are we doing? We have a Dazzle Glass that has vitamin E in it, which another name for vitamin E is topethol. And it has a couple other oils in it to keep your lips hydrated. That's so important. And then, you know, at night, take a jojoba oil or argan oil, a shea butter, a lip moisturizer, and hydrate and moisturize your lips. Don't forget to moisturize all around your upper lip and lower lip, because that's where we see lots of lines premature on gorgeous women and men's face. It's just what happens. So my suggestion for the most kissable lips is to find a lip exfoliant or face exfoliant and exfoliate your lips every other day. Get something like Dazzle Glass by MAC that is going to make your lips look super juicy, wet, and kissable, and then hydrate them at night as well. But this formulation is great. It makes your lips look juicy, kissable, and that's what we want at the end of the day, right? So I'm so glad I was able to share these little tips and tricks to get the juiciest, most luscious lips out there. Give it a try. You will love it. There's definitely a Dazzle Glass for you in a color that you like. And the MAC stores have the largest selection of Dazzle Glass, but you can find them at some Ulta stores, Macy's, Dillard's, and so on. Thank you so much for watching How To Beauty, and here's a little kiss from me to you. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.